So first job opening is basically for the SOC Guardian Limited. So they're hiring for SOC Analyst, right, which is for L1, level 1. This is a remote and this is a full-time job. So guys, as I told you, there's a lot of hiring for the position of SOC. But if you don't have knowledge, you don't have to worry, right? Because you can check out this URL if you want to learn uh, SOC, right? viehgroup.com/SOC. So there is a batch starting from 5th of September. So this will be beneficial for you. So just check out this URL. So this is a job summary. SOC Guardian is a limited is a company name. There are the key responsibilities you need to do: monitoring, analysis, respond, investigation, and the other couple of requirements that is required for getting this job. Microsoft Sentinel and all those things is important. Mail ID is hr@socguardians.com, right? So now next opening is as a cybersecurity analyst. So there are a couple of you'll be assigned to the client. Disa.where@valuesec.in is the mail on which you drop your resume. And there's a lot of things. Just read it out, guys. Next opening is in Tech Defender. So they are hiring for penetration testers where requirement is web, which is in mobile application, network, penetration tester, vulnerability assessment, OWASP, pen testing and documentation and reporting. Mail ID is carry@techdefender.net, right? Next is, guys, there is one more thing. Like as I told you, there is hiring for VAPT. So for VAPT as well, there's a lot of companies those who are hiring for web application pen testing. So if you want to learn about web application pen testing, you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/TCI. This is a very much helpful. Next is APT red teaming professional. So they want someone who should have knowledge about mobile app, network, cloud, pen testing, red teaming, active threat modeling. 3 to 8 years of experience is required. The more experience you have, the more salary you'll be getting. And guys, one more thing, this is for the experience only. So like tool, Metasploit, Cobalt Strike, Nmap, Nation is important. Location is Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. And if you got selected, they are going to hire you as soon as possible. This is mail ID swarna.pati@in.gt.com. Now next one is basically, this is a walk-in which is on 3rd of September. So the walk-in is basically in Chennai. Oh, so you need to, if you want to apply for all these positions, senior project manager, operation lead, project lead, senior associate engineer, junior associate engineer. So experience and what are skills which you require with senior manager. So this is a walk-in. So if you're from Chennai, you need to walk in. Or if you're from any other state, then if you want, you can go there, right? This is what they have. Scan this QRL. Timing is 1 to 6 p.m. on which they're hiring. So just scan this QR and probably from there you can get a lot of information. The next one is VAPT analyst. BTech, BSc is required. BE required 2.5 to 4 years of experience required. So this is a intermediate role, right? Work from office, mobile API, thick client pen testing. Mail ID sanket.vapt@gmail.com. And there are a couple of things that you need to mention in the resume. What is current city, expected city, notice period, experience, relocation to Delhi? Yes, you know. Now next one is someone is hiring in a Red Fox Sec, Red Fox Sec.com. So mail ID is hiring@redfoxsec.com. They are hiring for AppSec and Active Directory. So minimum 2 years of experience is required. I've gone through the description. So if you want, you can apply, right? Now next one is cybersecurity engineer. Imami is looking for the same position. This is the mail ID silpa.bomik@imamigroup.com, and just check it out, guys. Pause this video and you can watch, right? Now next one is business analyst in cybersecurity, contract to hire. The key highlights: role is 3 months of experience required. 3 months of contract will be there. Work from office Hyderabad. sai.purampudi@uvcyber.com is the mail on which you can apply, right? Hyderabad is the location. Next is cybersecurity engineer, Imami again. Oh, fuck, that is the same. Next is SOC engineer, which is an stickman cyber. 3 to 10 years of experience is required, and yes, experience is required here. Immediate joining. This email ID akita mamrat@stickmancyber.com. So that's all today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask. I guess no one is having any questions. So thank you very much for joining. Have a great day. Jai.